All right, so today a new unboxing for you guys at Amazon. We have a power strip with USB ports. This is an EL05. You can see it has 2 USB ports, 4 outlets, and it says it's high quality. Nothing on the top, nothing on the bottom. The side, your colors and what it's good for. And then this side has a little bit more of the rated power, the input voltage, that kind of thing. Again, special thanks to the company for sending this my way. Let's open this one up. Oh, look at that. Okay, and let's take a look at it. Good for the box. Oh wow! So it has a retractable cable. Very, very cool. So you got a little power button there, and just like it says, 2 USB ports and 4 power outlets. And then you do have this little hook here that's actually designed to slide right into this. There we go. Look at that. And so then you're able to pull your cable out, plug it in, and then have you a hook to hang this on. And I guess they give you a little extra hook with some sticky tape here. So, 2 hooks all in one. So very nice. Another cool slowly mode. Okay. So that's it for the cable length, about 3 to 4 feet of cable length, I would say here. You can see down in there the end of the cable. And it looks like to put it back up, you're able to just turn the top. So very nice little design they did here. Works very well, I think. Bingo. All right, very cool. Well, that will do it for this power strip with USB ports, model EL05 unboxing.